Hello everyone! Today I'm making dominoes with frog designs and I'm so glad to be part of the Froggy Friday collaboration. You will find the playlist link including all the other participants in the description below. This video is also part of my 6 plus resin molds that make bestsellers resin pieces in July series, which I created to inspire you. Let's get started. I start by filling just over half of each domino cavity with a clear layer of resin. I'm using resin switchable for pours up to 1 centimeter deep. Here's a little secret of mine. I arrange all the small decorations and shapes in that second mold before placing them in the resin. If you have a spare mold, I definitely recommend trying this trick. It makes everything so much easier. I already know exactly how the embellishment will be arranged, and I just place them right into the resin. Some of the pieces are one-sided, so I make sure to place them face down. Once all the embellishments are in place, I sprinkle just a little bit of very sparkly iridescent glitter. Then I let the dominoes cure. After curing, I top each domino with white colored resin. I used liquid white pigment to create an opaque background. I wanted a soft, opaque white that hides the dots from the front, but not a completely flat, solid white. And I think I achieved that balance. If I had planned to color the dots something other than white, I would have used a more opaque white layer. Before the final cure, I use a lighter to remove any bubbles. Although with this mold, you rarely get bubbles. Time for demoulding. This mold is the more economical option. It used less than 250 grams of resin. I'm really happy how the dominoes turned out. Sometimes there is a bit of overflow, and I use simple nail files to smooth the edges. I don't need to apply a top coat afterward because I only file very slightly along the edges, not the faces or the sides of the dominoes. show you how I make the paint for the dots. I use regular acrylic craft paint and add a little water to thin it out until it flows easily. The bottles I use are widely available and come with different tips. I prefer the ones with needle-style tips. Thinning the paint helps prevent clogs and makes the application smoother. If it becomes too watery, I just add more paint and vice versa. I mix the paint and the water well. I want it fluid but not runny. With these bottles, applying the dots and lines is easy and quick. In one of my next videos, I'll show you how I make boxes for the domino sets and also holders so people can easily stand their domino pieces while playing, even if they are not at a table. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya in the next one.